Okay, all right. So yeah, the first question, here we go. Okay, this one is MCQ question, a few of them. Written as a product of the prime factors, 720 is a to the power of a, 2 to the power of a, 3 to the power of b, and multiplied by 5. Okay, so first what we have to do is to do prime factorization. Okay, most of them did this before. All right, 720. Once you divide by 2, 360. By now, your mental sum must be good, enough. Divide by 2, you get 180. Divide by 2, 90. Divide by 2, 45. Divide by 3, 15. Divide by 3, 5. Okay, so in index notation, all right, let me repeat for this index notation. That means they have a power. Okay, and then after that, yeah, find the values of a. So that in fact, if I were to do this, 720 is equal to 2 times 3 times 5 to the power of 1. But for 2, I have to count 2 to the power of 4, 3 to the power of 2, and 5 to the power of 1. Okay, so for what is given here is 220 is 2 to the power of a multiplied by 3 to the power of b and 5. So what are we going to compare here? Is this, the indices here. Okay, so a must give you a 4 and b must give you a 2. So your answer will be 4 and 2. All right. So your answer should be B. Next question. Choose the correct answer. Find the smallest number which can be divided by 24. Oh, the keyword. He said the smallest number which can be divided by 24 and 36. So meaning to say your answer must be a great number, right? Oh, sorry, the smallest number here. So this is calling the lowest, right? What can you divide by 24? What can you divide by 36? So this one is divided by 24. Okay, I write here. And this number can also be divided by 36. So which of the following below will be able to do so for this question? Right? Okay, take a look. What I need to do is to do the prime factorization for 24, 2, 12, 2, 6, 2, 3. So 2 to the power of 3 and multiply to the power of 1. We are finding the prime factorization here. Okay, divide by 2. So you have 36, 2 to the power of 2, 3 to the power of 2. Okay, so what is the number here that both can be divided? That means we are going to find the common multiple. So to find the common multiple, what can I do here is lowest common multiple, right? Smallest one. And it must be a common number. And this common number here is a pretty bigger number than 24 and 36. Okay, so to choose the lowest common multiple, we want to choose the highest power here. So the highest power is 2 to the power of 3 and 3 to the power of 2, which is 8 times 9. and that gives you 70. Wait, 8, 2, 2, 2, 3, 9, 2 to the power of 3, 8 times 9, 72, right? Okay. However, this is not completed yet because there's another caption here, and it leave a remember. Caption means you capture your attention. So for a remainder of 11, what must you do? 72 must add back the 11 to get it here. 80. 8 plus 1 is 83. 2 plus 1 is 3. Okay, you don't stop at only 72 because of the condition. So you must fulfill this condition here. Give a remainder of 83. Of course, you will say that how to know whether we are correct, right? So who can tell me how to check back when you get this 83? Anyone? Okay, come to the chat function first. Okay, let's chat. My question to you, I want you to read chat. I want your response here. I want to see who is. Okay. Very good. Audio say work backwards. Yes. How to? Perhaps how to? You can on your audio if you can. Hello, Haolun.
Hello.
Okay. How to? Can anyone help? Take this, divide by this or this. Okay, very good. Thank you, Haolun. All right. Your classmate suggested we divide, work backwards. Okay. And check back how to there. Let's work it out. For this one, I do a quick one. So I will do it in here. We call it the corner check. Okay. First, you use your 83 and then you divide by 24. So you go and check using calculator. 8324. And you should get 83 out of 24 is 3 wholes, 11 out of 24. So you see you have 3 wholes but remainder 11. Okay, so it's as good as 3 out 11. Okay, you also can have a 36 divided by 24. You get 1, 24, 36. The smallest number can be divided by 36, 83. Okay. So 83 divided by 24, you will get yourself 3 whole 36. Sorry, let me write this one again. You should have 2 36 and then minus 83. You should get 11 out of 36. Will give you 2 remainder 11. So the key thing here is remaining of 11 here will give you remainder of 11 because of this. Okay. All right. Is the explanation clear enough? Okay, let's check the feedback from everyone to ensure everyone is still with me. All right, I want your response over the chat function here, please, to see whether is it effective if I use this method to teach. Okay, thank you, Nadia. Okay, all right. Now check back sometimes helps lah. Effectively, thank you. All right, how about the rest? How about the rest? Junlei, I know you get it correct. What about you? How you think of this method? Okay, Chile, I want your response also. Okay, so what is my this option? I need to write down my option also. So this option is 83 here. So option C. All right. Can I go to the next question now? Choose the correct answer. Okay. Choose the correct answer. B is between 100 and 200. The highest common factor of B and 90 is 15. Find the smallest number. Okay, let's take a look at this. He give you a range. All right, so B is a number which you didn't know. However, you know that the number here has a highest common factor of 15 with another number. So that means to say you have a B here and you have another number 90 and you have your H, highest common factor, as 15, which is equals to 3 by 5. Okay, why am I writing this? Because I wanted the indices. Okay, 3 by 5, 15. So first thing first is I need to have the prime factorization for 90. Okay, 2 times 3 here. So I fill this up first. And I now take a look at the common factor. Look at the common factor. The common factor has a 3 here. Okay. Okay, you have a factor of 3, but you have a factor of 3 to the power of 2 here. However, you can't do, wait, let me on this. So I need to fill up my B. B will definitely has no 2 as a prime factorization. No 2, so forget about the 2. It has a 3, but it is 3 to the power of 1 or 3 to the power of 2. We have to decide. How to decide is because we have 5 to the power of 3 to the power of 1. Okay, so it has the lowest of 3 to the power of 1. So okay. So this is 3 to the power of 1, 3 to the power of 2. So you can't have 3 to the power of 2. You must have 3 to the power of 1. All right. So then after that, what will happen here is you need to have 5 to the power of 1 or 5. Okay. Because you can have even you choose the lowest power of 1. Okay. So it must have 3, 1. So you have 1, 5 here, right? So you have a 5, 15. You could have a 5 here. 5 to the power of 1. You could have 7 probably, because you can't have any others because the next prime number will be 7. You can't have 5 to the power of 2. So you have 7 to the power of 1. Of course, you will say, can I have 7 to the power of 2? Of course you can, but the value of B will now be even bigger. But he wants the smallest, right? Smallest possible. What is the keyword here? Smallest possible. So we don't put 7 to the power of 2 in this place, right? So we have 3 times 5 times 7, which will equals to 105, which it will fulfill this. All right. Okay. Now, so this is the side thinking cap you have to put on here. Okay. This is the thinking cap. It's very difficult to express, but you need to, visualize it. Why you don't have a 2 here. Okay. Now, what happens if you put 2? If you put a 2 here,